Hi, my name is Duke and I'm the CEO and founder of Fungi. So today I'm going to talk about how to set up your store to sell the games directly to your players in under 5 minutes. So let's get right to it. So first of all, create your store. First, create your store name. You will get access instantly to a subdomain at fungi.app. This will allow you to publish the store at this subdomain. So click create your store and wait for a few seconds for your store to get populated. And here we go. What you're seeing right now is the main dashboard where you have some onboarding steps that you can see right here. First, you can customize your website. Then you can add your game. 3, you can connect your Stripe account. And then at the end, publish your store. Here's also a super simple guide that Irina has shown and have talked about. So first of all, navigate to website and navigate to builder. And here you will see a website builder that will allow you to quickly set up your website. So let's say you want to add a section with gallery section. You can just type gallery right here, and then you can start adding all your game screenshots to this section. So in order to upload slider banner, let's just delete this one and let's create a new slider banner right here, and you can move, of course, up and down. All the page sections can be freely moved. Now you can upload the image for the background image of the hero banner. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and here we go. You can also choose to upload the game's logo, for example, and then you can type in the ultimate collectible card game, for example, and go on and save changes. Well, and there you go. You already have your main banner along with your logo on the hero banner. Now you can go to the main dashboard, and then you can proceed to upload your game. So let's call this game UBA, a collectible card game on PC. Then proceed with uploading your game's logo. You can choose different ratios if you want to. And then choose your genre, so collectible card game. And then you can add a tag which will allow your users or players to easily find your game in the search function. So let's say PC, Steam, and that's going to be a global Steam key. So create your game, and this will instantly publish your game to the store. And now you can set up the price under which you're going to sell to your players. So it's going to be $19.99, and then you click create offer. So as this next step, you can download the template for uploading Steam keys. Then you can proceed to load the CSV file for all the Steam keys. Once you do that, all the Steam keys are going to be encrypted, and they will be safely stored on our servers, and only the players will see those keys once they purchase the game. They will get the Steam key in their email once they finish the checkout process. So here we go. You've got your game already. The third thing that you should do is connect your existing Stripe account. So Stripe handles all the payment processing for in our name, and it is present in more than 40 countries with 250 plus payment methods. So if you choose whatever country that is from here, you will be redirected to the Stripe onboarding process, and then you can create the Stripe account that would be a sub-merchant account so that you can get paid out. So you'll have to fill in here the company details, your bank account, so that you can get the payouts. The payouts happen once every 24 hours. All the funds, all the payments that come to us, they go to our Stripe account, and then they get instantly redirected to our Stripe account. So next, you can publish the store, and then you can set up your own domain under the domain in settings. So here's the subdomain that we have given you for free at fungis.app. But you can set up your own DNS records. Go to your web hosting provider and paste these DNS records in the DNS appropriate DNS section in the web hosting provider. You can also use Google Tag Manager here. So with Google Tag Manager, you can add Google Analytics or any other third-party apps that integrates easily with just a single JavaScript. Just paste here the Google Tag Manager ID and then proceed to Google Tag Manager account, and then you can add whatever app you would like to have in your store. Now here's an example of the store that we have just created. See all these sections such as banners, the 3-point section, latest game deals, text and image section, gallery section, FAQ, and also the footer, they can be customized in the dashboard. When you go to a particular game, like say for example the Hunter Call of the Wild as a game, you will see as a player or as a user a way to add the game to the card. And you can also add all the text sections to that particular game. So once you add the game to the card, it will be shown here in the card. And then by just filling out the email address, the user will proceed to checkout and then will pay for the game. As mentioned before, all the funds will come to our Stripe account, and then they get distributed automatically to your Stripe account. And then once every 24 hours, you will get a payout to your bank account. So with the store, players or users, they can easily search a game. Let's say I'm going to search for Spider-Man. And they will get results from that search. We are working on more features for the search, such as autocomplete, filters, that will allow the users or the players to easily search the games they would like to, if you happen to produce more than one game. Well, of course, they can sign in and sign up an account to the store. Once they do that, they will be able to see all their order history and transactions. So as you can see here, I have logged in with my user account, and then I can see my order history of all the payments and all the purchases that I've done in the past. So once, as a user, I can click to the order details. I can see all the data that, all the purchase data that I have. So once I go into order details as a user, I can see all the purchase details such as pricing, VAT, and the purchase date. Well, that's all. I hope you enjoyed that, and welcome to our Fungis platform.